Dance Hiccups. Dawn enters a competition. She will sing on television. Hic. Dawn is nervous. Oh no, I can't sing. I have hiccups. Dawn's mother gives her a scare. Surprise! Hic. Dawn still has hiccups. Put your fingers in your ears. Hic. But Dawn still has hiccups. Second slice of lemons. Hic. But Dawn still has hiccups. A nurse gives Dawn a glass of water. Drink it upside down. Dawn's hiccups go. She is happy. She combs her hair. The music plays. She sings her song. It's beautiful. The crowd shouts and cheers.